In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to activate your GiffGaff SIM card. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to go into Google and then you're going to search for activate SIM card GiffGaff, as you can see, and then you should be taken to this page. Now locate the official website of GiffGaff, as you can see, and where it says activate your SIM, and just click on that website right here, and it should now take you to this page right here. And you will need to enter the code right here, as you can see, and they explain it to you exactly how to actually find the code. So you need to get the SIM card plastic cover that you got your SIM card from, and then you will be able to see the activation code. As you can see, it's either a 6-digit code or it can be a 13-digit code as well. As you can see, they explain it to you exactly right here how to find it. And when you have now find the code, then what you're going to do is to just enter it in here, as you can see, and then click on activate your SIM. So basically that is exactly how to activate your GiffGaff SIM card.